Estate planning attorney Jeff Fouts here. A really important issue that sometimes people don't think about in estate planning is remarriage after the first spouse dies. Remarriage. But a lot of people say, oh, well, Jeff, I'm never going to remarry. Well, that's easy to say. You know, when you and your spouse are alive and you're sitting there on the couch together and both of you are healthy, it's real easy to look over at the other one and say, I'll never remarry. Well, but that's not really what happens in life. As a matter of fact, let's act like the wife dies first. If the wife dies first, statistics show that the man will remarry, that the odds are very, very high that the man will remarry. And why is that? Well, pretty straightforward. Ladies, it's because you take care of him. You treat him good. You keep him, you fix his lunch, you fix his breakfast, you keep him warm at night, and you really baby him and pamper him, and he's blessed. I'm blessed too. I have a wonderful wife. And so when you die, you let 2 or 3 or 4 years go by, and he's going to be looking for someone to fill that void that now you've left. And here's the bad news, if you want to call it that. He's not going to be looking for someone that's 2 or 3 or 5 years younger than him. He's going to be looking for somebody 15 years younger than him so that when he gets older, they can be able to take care of him during his incapacity. And so, you know, but guys, there's some good news in all this for you. And here's the good news. When your wife dies, you're going to be a babe magnet. Those widow ladies are going to be lined up, bringing you casseroles and all of that, and you're going to have your pick of the lady, okay? And so that's good news. That's really good news. So, but you must think that thing through, because ladies, here's the way it normally works. He sells his house, she sells her house, and they get a house together. They're already starting to get things commingled. Well, that's not good. Then they get a convenience checking account. They get a convenience savings account. And then the money starts getting more commingled. And then what else? You let 5 years go by and the new spouse will be the beneficiary on the IRA. And you may say, well, Jeff, I'm not that stupid. I would never do that. Well, I'm not trying to say you're stupid, but here is the reality. When that happens, you're not going to be 62 or 72 anymore. You're going to be a little older. And you're not going to be thinking clearly on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And their name will end up being on the beneficiary designation. The odds are really, really high. And so this is important. So ladies, if you want to make sure that the money stays in the family, then you need to understand how remarriage protection works in estate planning. So we'll talk about that in another episode. If we can ever help you, let us know. Maybe review your estate plan. And so we hope you have a good day. Thank you.